Traders War Room wants to thank you, the viewer, for coming along with us on this journey. Please check out the description tab as it has an overview of content on the channel and some links for resources and online brokerage. Thank you.
What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. Listen, forget last week, all right? That bloodbath, hey, it's nothing, okay? New market, new week coming up. Listen, we learn from our mistakes and we learn from our past just to give us perspective and give us knowledge moving forward. So take what we learned from the previous weeks and we move forward. Remember, we added to our principles, reconning and surveying, okay? We're gonna recon our AO, all right? We're gonna survey and we're gonna look for the best opportunity to strike. Remember, we're attacking, destroying, and conquering the stock market. We do it together as a team and as a community. All I ask you is hit like, you share, you subscribe, you join one of the communities, Facebook, Twitter, Discord. We got them all, the YouTube channel, and you come with us on this journey. Now, as always, if you're ready, follow me and let's go to war.
Traders War Room wants to remind everyone that all content on this channel is for entertainment and education purposes only. We are not financial advisors or consultants, and everyone is responsible for their own decisions and their own actions with the stock market. Real quick, so as we know, this is starting to trend with Biden saying stimulus checks are going to start arriving in mid-March, end of March. Listen, this is not a done deal yet, but it's trending to be a done deal. So highly likely it's going to happen. However, we need to pay attention because in the past when we got the stimulus, it boosted the economy, man. The market started bouncing, everyone was spending money, so on and so forth. But now with the volatility of the market lately and the unsureness of the investor, who knows how the market's going to react? People might take this money, tuck it away in safe investments, or they might just put it into a cash position to buy things on a more of a dip or another correction. We'll just have to wait this out and see how the market plays out.
Welcome back, team. Listen, if you're new to the channel, thank you for joining. And if you're new to one of the groups out there, thank you for coming on and joining part of the team. Listen, I consider us kind of a SPAC of groups, right? We're out there, we're merging, we're making acquisitions, we're growing together as a community. That's what it's all about. Shared learning, shared experience, all with the end goal and the end result trying to be better today than we were yesterday. And that's what we're doing as a community, okay? No one else out there is making it publicly known that they're collaborating and everything, but we are. We're doing it and we're proud to do it, okay? So if you're one of those collaboration additions, thank you for coming along with us on this journey, and let's get it together. I need you to be engaging and I need you to be thought-provoking and throw those comments and those posts about research and new stocks and ideas so that we can all learn together, all right? Listen, without further ado, we're gonna make this quick, so let's get into some futures.
Check out the Dow. Remember, futures are just that. They give us a glimpse onto trends and to give us an idea of how the market's gonna react when it opens, okay? Looks green on the Dow. S&P trending up as well, so, we're looking good so far. NASDAQ green, looking up. This is probably primarily where a lot of us in the growth sector are invested in. So this is important to see that this is up. The Russell's up. Commodities, look at oil. That's one of the things I'm looking at, and I'm also keeping a close eye on gold. Volatility index, the VIX is one of them that I really keep a close eye on. US indexes, all trending up. And here it is, the sectors that most of us are involved in, all looking green for tomorrow, but who knows what the stock market will bring. We'll have to see.
Next up, hey, again, I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is, and tomorrow the winner of these next stocks that you're about to see is gonna be bought first thing in the morning when I see the best opportunity to get in at the lowest price possible, okay? So, without further ado, check out the You Pick'em stocks, and right now, TSNPD is up big, so it looks as though that's gonna be the one that we're picking, but we'll finally know at midnight tonight, and then tomorrow I'll post the results and we'll get to see what we got, so check them out.
The You Pick'em stocks, and like I said, TSNPD, that's the one that's leading the pack right now, and it's looking like that is going to be the one that I'm going to purchase in the morning. So we'll see what happens, and I'll post the results. Put my money where my mouth is. I promised you guys each week I would do this, and so the next slide is going to show the rules and show the intent behind it.
Finally, I just wanted to share a few stocks that I'm really looking at as it comes in. I got some option contracts and some big things happening in March with a couple of these stocks, and I just wanted to share them with you and see what they do next week. I'm hoping for green, but you never know. It could be another bloodbath. So check these out.
All right, check out some of the stocks that I'm into. Listen, some of these have taken a beating over the past few weeks, and they're due to pop up eventually. They're all good stocks, in my opinion, and these are ready to go. But patience is virtue, and sometimes you got to have the patience during these corrections to make some money. Some other stocks. Now, I want you to really pay attention to ZOM, okay? Because ZOM, they got big news coming up in the mid to latter part of March, okay? So expect this one to pop up if the market reacts correctly. Also, Tesla, super low, definitely a buy zone. NEO, super low, definitely a buy zone. And there's some of those SPACs that HOL looking really good to get a baseline entry in at this point and ride this thing to the moon. I'm paying attention to the oil sector, and you should as well, okay? Listen, oil sector's future is popping, so you need to start paying attention to this oil price, all right? We're heading on to like $4 a gallon in certain places, and we're going to probably get to $5 a gallon, all right? So these are stocks that you need to jump on when you see the opportunity. Natural gas utilities, you saw a little bit of the futures kind of trending downward, but listen, don't sleep on these, okay? These are stocks that are good stocks, and these are things that are going to be popping, okay? When the growth stocks, they bottom out and they're starting to cool off, these oil and these natural resources, these utility stocks, these things start to jump up, all right? So pay attention to these, and you see an opportunity to strike, get it.
All right, that's it for real this time. Listen, here at Traders War Room, our philosophy, we look at the stock market like a war zone. Stocks and sectors, those are our battles, all right? We attack, we destroy, and we conquer, okay? Using 4 principles: planning, training, managing, securing. And now we're adding in reconning and surveying, so we get the best opportunity, the best advantage to attack and destroy the market and get our picks in at the lowest price possible and ride them as high as we can, all right? So, as always, if you're ready, follow me and let's go to war.